All right, so a super quick update. I was just learning how to add a sword asset, some random sword that I got from the fab, to the basic player character. So the default one in the editor right now is the Quinn, or the mannequin, the third person character. As you can see, I've added this sword to the hand socket so that when the character spawns, it already holds the sword. And I've also, where's the blueprint? Yeah, I've also created um, some blueprint code that essentially spawns in the sword whenever we start the game. However, for some reason, so when I start the game or the preview, it spawns in with the sword in the hand, so that's fantastic. Of course, there's this weird collision that could be still fixed, but as soon as I start running, so now I'm gonna press forward, it runs to the side in this like super weird pattern. Um, Sort of like to the back and to the side. If I press to the side again, it doesn't really do exactly what it's supposed to be doing. So this is kind of funny. I'll need to investigate if I maybe screwed up some settings somewhere while I was adding the sword, or what happened. But before adding the sword, the controls were actually working. So I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, just a quick update.